Cinnamon tea is full of compounds that may offer various health benefits, such as improving heart health, alleviating menstrual cramps, and reducing inflammation and blood sugar levels. This tea is crafted from the inner bark of the cinnamon tree, which curls into very well-known cinnamon sticks as it dries. These sticks can be steeped in hot water or ground into a powder to make the tea. First, if you're loving this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Number 1, rich in antioxidants. Cinnamon tea is loaded with antioxidants, which are essential compounds that help maintain good health. These antioxidants combat the damaging effects of free radicals, which are molecules that can harm cells and contribute to conditions such as diabetes, cancer, and heart disease. Cinnamon boasts a significant amount of polyphenol antioxidants, and it enhances the total antioxidant capacity of the body. Number 2, reduces inflammation and boosts heart health. Research indicates that compounds in cinnamon may decrease markers of inflammation, which is a major factor in chronic diseases like heart disease. Cinnamon also has the potential to lower blood pressure, reduce triglyceride and LDL bad cholesterol levels, and increase HDL good cholesterol levels, which are vital for heart health. However, it's essential to consume cinnamon in moderation to avoid potential side effects. Number 3, aids in blood sugar control. Cinnamon can have powerful anti-diabetic effects by helping lower blood sugar levels. It mimics the action of insulin and improves insulin's effectiveness. Cinnamon may also slow down the digestion of carbohydrates, preventing rapid spikes in blood sugar levels. Studies suggest that cinnamon tea may also have blood sugar reducing benefits. Number 4, may support weight loss. Cinnamon tea is often linked to weight loss, although more research is needed to confirm these benefits. Some studies have associated cinnamon intake with fat loss and reduced waist circumference, but it's essential to control calorie intake and distinguish between fat and muscle loss. Large amounts of cinnamon may also contain high levels of coumarin, which can be harmful in excess. Number 5, fights bacteria and fungi. Cinnamon exhibits strong antibacterial and antifungal properties, inhibiting the growth of various harmful bacteria and fungi. This can be helpful in reducing bad breath and preventing tooth decay, although further human research is needed to draw conclusive findings. Number 6, eases menstrual symptoms. Cinnamon tea may make menstrual symptoms such as PMS and dysmenorrhea more manageable. Studies have shown that it can reduce menstrual pain and bleeding, as well as alleviate nausea and vomiting during menstruation. Number 7, may fight skin aging. Studies show that cinnamon may promote collagen formation and increase skin elasticity and hydration, all of which may reduce the appearance of aging. Number 8, may have anti-cancer properties. Test tube research has observed that cinnamon extracts may help kill certain types of cancer cells, including skin cancer cells. Number 9, may help preserve brain function. Test tube and animal research suggests that cinnamon may protect brain cells from Alzheimer's disease and improve motor function in those with Parkinson's disease. Number 10, may help fight HIV. Test tube studies report that cinnamon extracts may help fight the most common strain of the HIV virus in humans. Number 11, may reduce acne. Test tube research suggests that cinnamon extracts can fight bacteria that cause acne. Cinnamon tea is caffeine-free and can be enjoyed at any time during the day. If you're considering its blood sugar lowering effects, it's advisable to consume it with your meals. If you are on blood sugar lowering medication, consult your healthcare provider before adding cinnamon tea to your routine. In terms of how much cinnamon to consume per day, it's approximately 1 teaspoon. However, because there's no specific dosage recommendation for cinnamon, it's important to remember that a high intake could be dangerous. If you intend to consume large amounts of this spice or take a supplement, Cassia cinnamon can be harmful because of the coumarin content. At the end of the day, Ceylon cinnamon is the better quality and much safer. In conclusion, cinnamon tea is a powerful beverage. It's filled with antioxidants and offers several health benefits, including reduced inflammation and blood sugar levels, improved heart health, and perhaps even weight loss. Cinnamon tea may also fight off infections and reduce PMS and menstrual cramps. Whether you enjoy cinnamon tea warm or cold, it's definitely a beverage worth trying. Thank you so much for watching Healthy Food Crush Food Facts. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more healthy food facts.